فتاة الخير يا أملا تنير مسير دعوتنا وتقيد مشعل الإيمان كي تنجو بأمتنا وترفع راية القرآن تحدو ركب عزتنا وتسمو.
We should try to be around people with high aspirations. People around you really affect the way you look at the world. If you're around people who are not driven, who are not going anywhere, right? I'm not saying abandon them. I'm not saying abandon your friends and your family. What I'm saying is make sure that you have plenty of people, or at least a number of people who you associate with, who you meet with, who you have suhbah with, if you like. You know, you actually have the company of these people who are driven, who are going somewhere, who know where the prize is, you know, the akhirah. And these will be friends of growth, people who are not just naysayers, who constantly shoot your ideas down, who say to you, oh no, you could never achieve that. You don't want to have those negative voices in your ears. You want to have the voices of those people who themselves have high aspirations and who actually, you know, give you a boost. They'll say to you, hey, that's a great idea. You know, how could you achieve that? Let's think about that. They're the sort of people who won't shoot your ideas down. Instead, they'll help you explore those ideas and give you more ideas. And there'll be a positive presence in your life. So you must have people around you who are like that if you are to continue on the path of high aspirations.
فتاة الخير يا أملا تنير مسير دعوتنا وتقيد مشعل الإيمان كي تنجو بأمتنا وترفع راية القرآن تحدو ركب عزتنا وتسمو في العلا قيما وتحذو ركب سنتنا.